Just back enough to start it, right?
Just enough to.
Yeah. It's just enough to start it. There we go.
Yeah, that's definitely a challenge.
Third set of fingers. All right.
Here, just let that.
Okay, so I went before you. Okay, so one.
Your end, you're gonna do the edge in the corner. We'll line it up on my end for the side. Hold on. Just straight at the. Go ahead and just get yours. I'm gonna keep mine up.
Okay,
What about the bottom part?
I'm good.
Okay, now I'm gonna pull mine tight.
Keep it pulling over.
Here.
Okay.
Okay.
And I just pull this.
We'll just gotta go slow.
So nice, like vinyl, sort of.
Yeah, the vinyl.
Okay, that's right.
It's like doing shelf paper.
Uh-huh.
It's a very tricky thing to get it right.
Well, it's easier to do it on the ground like this.
Oh yeah, that's true. Than in the cupboard.
Ooh. Was that half of it?
Yeah, that's half of it.
Okay, I think we're
You want me to let go?
to the point where you can step back. My hands are bigger than mine, Carl. Holy cow. You did it, Carl.
Got it right up to the edge. Perfect.
I don't see no.
I don't see any.
It looks like it, but that's just all part of
Yeah, that's just part of the thing. Yeah.
the. Yeah.
Yeah, I don't see any. I think we got it pretty flat. All
All
right. Hey,
right.
we want it to go into the frame,
Uh-huh.
and then we don't want it all the way
At
up,
the
but
top.
we don't want it
All the way at the
anywhere
bottom.
here because then it'll be
Mm-hmm.
leaning forward.
About where you have them, about 2 inches down. Yeah, that's good.
Looks like a real window.
Uh-huh. And it works in pretty good.
Uh-huh.
So if you look at the little tattered edges here, you look inside the picture, you see the tattered edges around the window frames.
They did this on purpose?
Uh-huh.
Why?
Just because that makes it look more real.
Oh.
But that's what you'll get.
Uh-huh.
So ours look pretty much like that. I think this will work out perfect.
Mm-hmm.
Up to you to do the
I don't
phone.
think it'll stretch.
That much? No, we're gonna pull it tight. So that doubles the strength
Uh-huh.
and gives us one rope to deal with. Now, we're going to take this loop.
This will hold 100 pounds.
Okay.
All right.
You know, it might not have been filming that whole time.
That's okay. Uh-huh.
The glue works.
Picture me?
54.
If you hang around with you long enough, Carl, I might learn something.
Hold tight.
That way I can go, hey, I was right. Or, you were right, Carl. Okay.
Do you like drilling, Lynn?
Do I like drilling?
Uh-huh.
Not if I had to do this all day. Patience.
Okay, there we go.
Forward, that's what I didn't want to.